Hi, welcome to Sweet Vibes and thank you for watching this video. In this video, I will walk you through the preparation of a wonderful vanilla cupcake recipe. I just need to mention that this is an easy cupcake recipe. First, let's see what all the ingredients are we need to use for the preparation. So, the ingredients are sift the flour, cornflour, baking powder, and I prefer to sift it for 3 times. We also need sugar, but not regular sugar. We need powdered sugar. So now let's start beating. First, take a large bowl and start beating egg white till it becomes stiff. Make sure you beat it in a very low speed. When it starts to become stiff, you can increase the speed. Now you can see it has become stiffer. Now take another bowl and start beating egg yolk. Add 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence after just beating it, then continue beating in a very low speed. Make sure you beat only in one direction. Next, add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar into it after beating for some time. Once you complete adding all the sugar, the batter becomes fluffier and paler in color. Meanwhile, you can start preheating the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now, mix 1 tablespoon of the flour mix and 1 tablespoon beaten egg white into the beaten egg yolk and mix it by cut and fold method. Continue this process till it completes. This is the perfect texture of the batter and now it is ready for baking. So pour it into the paper liners and bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now it is almost 25 minutes. I am just using a toothpick to check it, and I can see that it is perfectly baked. So now I will keep it aside for it get cool. A very simple recipe you can make for any functions and programs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you all in next video. Thank you.